Powerful explosions at a transport hub of the armed forces of Ukraine in Pavlograd, April 30. Explosions reported in Pavlograd, Dnipropetrovsk Oblast. Pavlograd Mayor Anatoly Vashina reported late on April 30 that explosions were heard in the, located 75 kilometers east of the regional capital Dnipro, during the air raid siren. Pavlograd is a city in eastern Ukraine, specifically in the Dnipropetrovsk Oblast. The city is located approximately 150 kilometers southeast of the Ukrainian capital, Kiev. The railway junction there is used for the supply and transfer of AFU reserves. There are military warehouses and equipment staging grounds. According to some reports, SAM systems and a large number of SAM missiles were destroyed at Pavlograd. The attack was reportedly carried out with Geran drones followed by cruise missiles. Pavlograd is the closest railway junction between the Donbass and Zaporizhzhia while still being 100 kilometers away from the contact line. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said in total Ukraine lost 413 jet fighters and 230 helicopters, 3,905 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed. Also 421 air defense missile systems, 8,920 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,095 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,695 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,882 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 470 servicemen in a single day. In total, Russia lost 190,510 servicemen during the conflict. President of Ukraine swears to repel Russian occupiers. It is very important that Russia receives ever stronger signals that the world will not forgive any of Russia's acts of terror. And that as many global players as possible are absolutely principled in upholding the sanctions regime against Russia for terror, said Zelensky.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.